In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently split a video using the CapCut app. This tool is fantastic for editing videos on your mobile device, offering a wide array of features that are accessible and easy to use, even for beginners. Let's dive right into the process and explore how you can divide your video into parts, which is an essential skill for any content creator or hobbyist. First, you'll want to open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're in, you'll notice the New Project option prominently displayed on the main screen. Go ahead and tap on New Project. This step is your gateway to start editing. And from here, you can bring in fresh content to work on. Now let's move on to selecting your video. After starting a new project, you'll be prompted to choose the video you want to edit. Browse through your gallery or video files and select the one you aim to work with. Load that selected video right into the timeline in CapCut. The timeline is your workspace and is where all the editing magic happens. So getting your video there is crucial. Once your video is loaded, the next step is to ensure it's selected. This might sound simple, but it's an important part of the process. Tap directly on the video clip within the timeline. You'll often see it highlighted, confirming that it's ready for any modifications you want to make. With your clip selected and ready to go, find the white playhead, which looks like a thin vertical line that moves along your timeline. You're going to drag this playhead to the exact point where you want to make your split. This feature allows you to precisely choose the start or end of a particular scene in your video. Take your time to find the perfect spot. You can adjust the playhead back and forth to ensure precision. Now, once you're satisfied with the playhead's position, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a variety of tools available there. For splitting, you'll want to tap the Split button. It's located right at the bottom, easy to access, and one of the core tools you'll use often in video editing. By tapping it, you will effectively divide your video into two separate clips. And just like that, your video is now split into two segments. This is incredibly useful when you want to edit different parts of your video separately or insert new content in between. Each of these segments can now be individually edited, rearranged, or even deleted if you wish. The possibilities are vast, and mastering this technique opens up a whole new level of creativity in your editing process. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to split a video in CapCut. This basic skill is a great foundation as you continue to explore more advanced features and make your videos truly stand out. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!